Just make sure the hair can flow in easily by opening this and this. Okay, let's go under the car. You make sure you protect your hand with a glove so you don't have contact with the oil used oil in your hand, might be not that helpful, and a pen to receive. You see the screw there? That one. And let's go and then screw it.